Okay, I got winch installed around the chute. 3,000-pound winch. Got the cables that go around the winch and put around and fastened. Got the harness fed into the cab. There's my controls for the winch. Attached to the battery. There's my defroster for the windshield. And now I'll hit a button on the controller, see what it does. Well, it seems to work pretty good. Just need some more snow to try her out for good.